Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Snapchat messages, photos, videos, and chats. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you can go ahead and check your gallery, by the way. Maybe there's a folder that is called Snapchat, just like WhatsApp. Okay, there will be a file folder that is named Snapchat. You can go ahead and check it out and maybe browse if there are some backed up photos and videos. Now, if you want to recover all your messages, photos, videos, and chats, you can just go ahead over to Snapchat right here. Go to the top left, tap on your profile. And then once that's done, go to the top right. We have here the gear icon. Just tap on it. Now scroll all the way down until you find My Data besides Logout. Okay. Tap on My Data. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, we are going to request these types of data. Okay, as you can see here, we have memories, user information like your login, user profile, login profile, account history, friends, Bitmoji, connected apps. You have here your chat history. Okay, so enable this one. You could enable other media and other right here, such as your lenses, selfies, and cameos, just like so. But most importantly, your chat history, as your chats include your photos and even videos sent. So once that's done, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down, enable export chat media right here, and then just click on next. If you want to, you can go ahead and set this one to all time or specific date, maybe last week or a specific one right here. Now the email written in here is where the data or files will be sent. So just basically click on submit and just wait for the email from Snapchat. After that, all you got to do is just download the zip file and open up each file. All right, so if you're wondering what the file looks like, and you'll receive an email just like this one. Just tap on click here, log in with your account, and after that, it will redirect you to the My Data section. Okay, so just wait for it, and you can go ahead and tap on See Exports and just download it. Okay, once that's downloaded, you'll be able to extract the file, just like this one. So all you got to do is just tap on HTML and just find the messages section. Okay, this is not the one I requested earlier. This is from the past. Okay, so I'll have to wait until that message appear in my inbox. So just for you to see, or just for you to see a glimpse of how it works. Okay, for example, I have here the friends HTML. Okay, as you can see, we have the list of friends, friend requests sent, and deleted friends. Also under Snap Pro right here, as you can see, there is a downloadable photo, which is my profile photo, as you can see here. Okay, that's how it works. All right, that is how you recover deleted Snapchat messages, photos, videos, and chats. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.